Alright, so in this video we're going to look at vector operations. Now I'm going to say this right now, so if this is what you're looking for, the dot product, I'm not doing the dot product in this video. I will have that in a separate video. And what I'll do is I'll include the link to my dot product video in the description of this video. This is just going to be adding, subtracting, and multiplying through by a scalar. Alright, so for any real numbers, a, B, C, D, and K, if we have vector AB plus CD, I mean, it's simple. All you do is you take the A and add it to the C, and the B and add it to the D. The first components add together, the second components add together. And then if we have a scalar times a vector, you just multiply each component of the vector times the number outside. And then if vector A is equal to A1, A2, then negative A is negative A1, negative A2. Okay, so if you put a negative here, you have to put a negative in front of each one. And then subtracting, we have, it's just like adding, except we subtract the first components and subtract the second components. So let's look at some examples. Alright, so we've got negative 5 times vector u. So I just like to go ahead and write it down. Let's do it in a different color. Let's see, so we've got negative 5 times vector u, which is negative 2, 5. And so each number gets multiplied. So that's going to be 10, negative 25. And there's your answer. Now, what about the 1/2? So the 1/2 times vector v this time, that would be 4, 3. So 1/2 times 4 is 2. 1/2 times 3 is 3/2. And then let's look at adding. So I've got negative 2, 5 plus 4, 3. That's u plus v, u plus v. So negative 2 plus 4 is 2, and 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. And now subtracting, I've got negative 2, 5 minus, that's vector u, minus vector v, 4, 3. So that's negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. Alright, so what about these? That's going to be negative 2 times vector u, which is negative 2, 5, plus 5 times vector v, which is 4, 3. So first thing we want to do is multiply the scalars first. So that's 4, negative 10, plus, and then that's 20, 15. And so now we can add them. 4 plus 20 is 24. Negative 10 plus 15 is 5. That is a 4 there. Okay. And there's your answer. And the last one, let's see, we've got negative 3. Oh, we've got 3, negative 2, 5, 3 times vector u, minus 6 times vector v, 4, 3. Alright, so I'm gonna multiply each by the scalar. So that's negative 6, 15. Now, this is where you want to be careful. There's two ways we can do it. The first way I'm going to show you is not how I'm going to work it. So I'm going to show you how to write it down and then erase it. But if we can write the minus down. And then it's just like we're taking the 6 and multiplying it. So that would be 24, 18, like that. Okay. The other option And this is perfectly fine if you do it like this. But the other option is to do plus and distribute a -6. So that would be -24, -18. The reason I do that is because usually it's easier to add integers instead of subtracting. I mean, neither one's difficult, but you're less likely to make a careless mistake when you're adding. Okay. All right, so I've got -6 plus -24. That's -30. And then 15 plus -8 is -3. Okay. All right, so I hope this video helped. And if you watched till the end, remember I'll put the link to the dot product in the description of this one. All right, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Thanks.